The United States Department of Energy recently announced it will collect energy use data from crypto miners next week. On January 31st, the U.S. Energy Information Administration announced the initiation of a provisional survey to collect electricity consumption data from identified crypto mining companies operating in the country. The proposed emergency survey, named Cryptocurrency Mining Facilities, was authorized as an emergency collection and data request by the Office of Management and Budget on January 26, 2024. We're initiating collection of data regarding hashtag electricity use by U.S. HT cryptocurrency miners. We'll ask about their electricity consumption so we can better understand their energy demands. AIA, January 31st, 2024. And the EIA will start collecting data on a sample of commercial crypto miners next week. Miners will be required to respond with details related to their energy use, and the agency will also solicit public comment on collecting crypto miners' energy use data. As the OMB's conclusion details, the EIA collection of energy data use information will develop a baseline snapshot of the crypto mining companies in the sample, quantify the rate of change in crypto mining activity among the companies in the sample, identify electricity sources for U.S. crypto miners in the sample, and identify regions of the United States with concentrated crypto mining activity is located based off the companies in the sample. The EIA Administrator Joe DeParlis expressed the agency's intention to analyze and write the energy implications of crypto mining activities in the U.S., detailing in the EIA's press release that the agency will specifically focus on how the energy demand for cryptocurrency mining is evolving, identify geographic areas of high growth, and quantify the sources of electricity using to meet cryptocurrency mining demands. Electricity expert at EIA Glenn McGrath told Reuters, "We do think it is a significant source of demand, which is worthy of our efforts to quantify it," adding that, quote, "until we can substantiate the activity with better data, we too have more questions to answer." And according to the International Energy Agency report, in 2022, crypto mining accounted for 0.4% of the global annual electricity consumption, with about 110 terawatt hours consumed. In 2023, the figure increases to 130 terawatt hours consumed, with Bitcoin accounting for 120 terawatt hours out of the total in that year. The report estimates that the electricity consumption from crypto mining will increase by 40% in 2026, reaching 160 terawatt hours. The United States became the largest mining hub in the world after China banned crypto mining operations in 2021. McGrath recognized that the EIA has received requests from various sectors to begin to quantify cryptocurrency mining energy use, according to Reuters. In the EIA's memo requesting emergency approval of the project, the agency explained that the 50% surge in Bitcoin's price in the last 3 months increases the likeliness of public harm, as the higher price reward will incentivize more crypto mining activity, subsequently increasing the electricity consumption. To the agency, a crypto mining related surge in demand could affect the already stressed electricity system, the system operations, and consumer prices, justifying the emergency collection data request. However, the Bitcoin community and independent institutions such as the Cambridge Center for Alternative Finance have heavily questioned similar data and conclusions from other governments and BTC critics. An Adaptive Christier analyst stated the following regarding the report from the CCAF and Bitcoin's energy consumption. Cambridge had just updated their Bitcoin power energy consumption methodology. It's decreased around 25% and is now looking much more accurate. My model says 13.095 gigawatts, very similar to Cam now.